Don? Okay, we are going to do a review of centering. First thing you want to do is make sure you start with a round piece of clay. Don't start with a square piece of clay or an oblong or anything like that. It's much easier to center when you start with it being round. Okay? Good clean bat. Put it in the middle. Give it a couple of slaps. All right, when we center, remember our elbows are going to be on our legs. We're going to be nice and tight. We are not out like this. Cannot do it like this. We have to use our whole body here. We're going to use our legs. We're going to use our hands and our arms. Okay, we're going to be over top of the clay. You don't want to be back like this. So make sure you scooch nice and close so that you can use your body. All right? Keeping the clay nice and wet. Get my hands on here. I'm going to squeeze up. First hand position is going to be coning. I'm going to squeeze up from the bottom. My right hand is my brace hand here. It stays like this, 90-degree angle. I'm going to squeeze up into a cone with my left hand coming into my right hand. You might have to do this a couple times depending on how big your piece of clay is. Now I'm going to take my right hand again. I'm going to push it over. Left hand. I'm using this part of my hand. I'm not using the middle. I'm not going like this. I'm going to be pushing down and in to this hand. Okay, my right hand doesn't move. Push down and in. Okay, there's going to be a lot of pressure with your right hand. Make sure that your elbows stay on your legs. I'm going to cone that up again. Go back to the first hand position. Right hand here. Try to make a lever. It's kind of like a lever. Draw a line through the middle of your clay with your wrist. Okay? Pull it up. Coning. I'm wetting after every time I touch it. I like to throw really wet. You might not have to do that. Remember, okay, now I'm going to push over and then down and in. And then I release slowly with my hands. I never yank my hands away. If I yank my hands away, it might throw it off. Okay? Once you can put your finger down and it doesn't move your finger like this, you know that it's pretty centered. Okay? And now I would go on to open.